Hi, today I'm going to make these very easy to make paper flowers. Very pretty, perfect for decorating anything, and you can make them a variety of colors. I'm going to use this paper for the flowers. This is a thin origami type sheet, colored on both sides, or you can even take two colors if you like. To make the stencil, take anything which is a circular base, and depending on the size of the flower you want. Just draw out a circle like so, and then on one end make a shape like this. So I'll just cut this out. Like this. Now take this paper and just fold it. You can either individually cut each circle, or you can just fold the sheet. So you need about 12 to 14 of these circles. So I'll just keep this, trace it out. Like so, and I'll just cut it out. Just separate, and just cut it out on this. So this is how it looks. Now I'll just fold them in half. Like so. So I'll just fold the others also. After folding them all, now just take one, and on the side which doesn't have this cut, the shape, so on that side, on the lower side, just apply a little glue and stick the next one on it, making sure that the edges match. So this way I'll stick all of them. So this is how the stack would look. Now just apply glue on the last one and stick it to the first one. It comes like this. Now I've cut out a circle from the white paper, slightly small, not very big. Apply a lot of glue on it. Take this and keeping the the cut side this on the lower side, and just open it out like this and press down the pointed side. So this is how it will look, the flower. Now just pick it up and put it on this white paper. Just have to hold it for a while so that it sticks properly. And this is how it will look, a pretty little flower. You can use it for decorating anything, very easy to make. The back it's like this. So I've made others also in the same manner.